Welcome back. It is 6:44 right now. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and as parents, we have an important responsibility to help ensure that our children and our teens are comfortable talking to us about their mental health. In the Morning Loop's Marangeli Lopez is taking a look at the impacts that mental health has on our children locally, and she joins us now with what parents can do to help them cope. Good morning, Mara.
Good morning, Dana. That's right. We're more than a year into the pandemic, and we all know the effects it's had on our mental health, and that's even more so in our children.
Everyone was just like kind of shocked because he was like, he was really funny and outgoing and like really good friends. So it was really just kind of a shock for everyone that he had passed away.
Caroline Crawford describes the day she and her friends found out one of her close friends from high school lost his battle with mental illness.
You just really didn't realize like how deep the hurting was that he was experiencing.
Before COVID-19, suicide was the second leading cause of death among teenagers and young Americans. In fact, in East Texas, the suicide mortality rate is about 5 points higher than the rest of the state. And it was recently reported that Smith County has the highest suicide rate of the state's largest 25 counties.
It's just like a really big problem in our country and in our state, which is really sad.
According to the Texas Department of State Health Services, since the pandemic started, mental health-related hospital visits rose 24% for children ages 5 to 11 and 31% for children ages 12 to 17. Dr. Taya Johnson is a child and adolescent psychiatrist for UT Health East Texas Behavioral Health. She says good mental health in children really starts with their parents.
What I tell parents is pay attention to if there's a change in behavior.
To notice those changes, parents need to build a healthy relationship with their children.
Playing board games is always a good way to just build that bond. And I think once you have that bond built, when the child is having difficult feelings or emotions, it's going to be much easier for them to come to their parent and talk about it.
Another important note is for parents to monitor their teens' social media accounts.
While I know some kids absolutely hate that their parents have access to, know about, and all that stuff, it's very important for parents to have access to that stuff and check it regularly.
Now, there are many resources available to you locally here in East Texas, and I've compiled a list in our website, cbs19.tv. We've got you covered, East Texas. Marangeli Lopez, CBS 19.